In this next video, we're going to start to insert our content into our website. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to insert the banner that we made. Okay, so if I go into my assets folder here, you can see it's called website banner. Now, the way we do it is we click, and this is important, click in the cell that you want the banner to appear in. So we want it in this top one here. So I'm going to click in the cell. I'm going to go to Insert. I'm going to go to Image. I'm then going to double click to go inside my assets folder, find the website banner and just double click it. Okay, and then the banner we've created will appear inside our website. Okay, the next thing I want to do is insert our buttons. Okay, so I'm going to click in my first cell. I'm going to go Insert. I'm going to go to HTML. I'm going to go to Rollover Image. Now this is going to be Home. Okay, I'm going to click Browse. And this first version is our normal version of the button, so it's not the rollover, the normal version. Okay, we then on the rollover image select the rollover, surprisingly. Okay, so find the home rollover button. Now I'm also going to put the link. Now because it's the home page, we always call the home page the index page, so it's going to be index HTML. Okay, now that's just when we create our other pages, that'll just be the link, it'll tell it where to go. Now make sure you spell that correctly, HTML with the dot as well. Okay, now I'm going to click OK. And you'll notice that although our rows cells seem to have got small, that doesn't matter. You need to make sure you click in the next cell, so this second one along. We're going to go to Insert, I'm going to go to HTML, I'm going to go to Rollover Image. This one's going to be called About. I'm going to go to About Button, and then go to the Rollover Image. We're going to go to About Rollover. When we click the link, we want it to go to about.html. Okay, so again, about.html. Click OK. I'm then going to click into the next button. Sorry, the next cell. And you see it's got really small now, so just make sure you've clicked inside it, because if you click outside it, it won't look right, it won't be in the right place. So make sure you've clicked in that third cell, Insert, HTML, and then we're going to go to Rollover Image. Okay, this one's going to be called Video. Okay, going to go to Browse, going to find the Video button, going to go to Browse, going to find the Video Rollover button, and then we're going to put video.html. Okay, I'm going to click OK, and we'll have our next button in, and then I'm going to click in the next one, and just be careful, like I say, it gets really small. Make sure you've clicked inside the actual cell so you can see the black lines flashing. And we're going to go Insert, HTML, Rollover Image. Okay, this one's going to be Contact. Okay, go to Browse, Contact, and the web page is going to be contact.html. Okay, click OK. We can see we've got our buttons in. Now the next thing we need to do just to set up our template page is we need to set our background color and our font style. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to File, Page Properties. Okay, the default font I'm going to change, and I've used quite a modern style font, so the one I'm going to use here is Gill Sans. You can have a look at these ones, or you can look at, there are more fonts available here, but I'm going to use Gill Sans for mine. I'm going to set my text color to be white. Okay, and I'm going to set my background color to be dark blue, I think. I'll just click enter and then click OK, and you'll see now that we have got our background. Now just to show you that the text, what it looks like, okay, which is fine. Okay, I'll just delete that. So What I want to do now is I want to save it as my template file, because we're going to create our other pages from this, but this is going to be our root file. Okay, so if I just click body, make sure we've given it a title template. I'm going to go File, Save As. Okay, I'm going to call it Template. Okay, I'm just going to click Save. Okay, so I've saved my file, and what I can do is I can test to see what it would look like in Google Chrome. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go File, Real-Time Preview, Google Chrome. Just let it load up. There you go, so you can see now my buttons, and when I roll over them, they change colour, so that's exactly as we want. So our website is working as we need it to. Okay, in this next video, I'm going to show you how to actually set up our separate pages. Okay.